Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dan bahagia. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before starting today's lesson, let's pray to our respective religion and belief prayer. Praying begins. Enough. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Fathul Khoiri and you can call me Laili. Today, we will learn about integers. Please prepare your book and stationery. Previously, is anyone absent today? No? Okay, thank you. First of all, I will provide an overview to today's activities. General description of activities. The first is understanding integers. The second, the location of integers on the number line. Third, expresses the relationship between two integers. And the last is the use of integers in everyday life. Before entering the first discussion, does anyone know what integers are? Yes. In math, an integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or zero and does not include fraction or decimals. Integers are also known as round numbers. Example of integers: positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative integers negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. From non-examples, there is fraction 1/2, 3/4, and so on. Decimals 3.14, 0.53. Even though negative 0.53 has a negative sign, but negative 0.53 not a whole number but a decimal numbers. And for non-examples, complex numbers 3 plus 2i. Okay, the next material is number line. What is a number line? A number line is straight line that represent integers. Numbers increase as you move to the right and decrease as you move to the left. 0 is in the middle, separating positive and negative integers. For example, pay attention to following image. Okay, next, apart from knowing to explanation the number line, we also have to learn how to draw the number line. The first thing you want to do when you draw a number line is begin by drawing a single line. Draw a horizontal line with a round on foot. Next, number 2, you want to set the focus point as 0. Very simple. Number 3, now once you draw number line with 0 as a place marker, you can now draw tick marks on either side. And the last, put a number 2 on the check mark. On the left side of 0 are negative numbers, so we'll pull negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. And on the right side of 0 is a positive numbers, so we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the number lines can be used for bad addition and subtraction. Say for instance, we had a problem where we had 3 minus 4. And what is that? Okay, well, we can't know that count our number line. We start at 3 and we count backwards type 4. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our answer of negative 1. You can also do this with of course addition. Say you had negative 3 plus 5. You can then of course start with negative 3 and add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To find your answer, add 2. Okay, The next material is about relationship between two integers. How integers relate to each other. The first is comparison. Example, 5 is greater than negative 35. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. Second is addition. Example, 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 1. Adding a negative number reduces the value. Third is subtraction. Negative 2 minus negative 4 equals 2. Subtracting a negative is like adding. And the last is multiplication and division. For example, positive multiplied by negative equals negative. 2 multiplied by negative 3 equals negative 6. And negative divided by negative equals negative. For example, negative 6 divided by negative 3 equals 2. The last material is about example in real life. Where do we use integers? Integers are used in real life. Scenarios are financial transactions, temperature readings, inventory control, engineering calculation, sport score and ranking, and distance measurements. Next is problem examples. The temperature in a city was negative 7 degrees Celsius at midnight. By morning, the temperature rose by 10 degrees Celsius. What is temperature in the morning? Okay, to solve this problem, we can use the addition operation. To find temperature in morning, starting negative 7 degrees Celsius and temperature rise 10 degrees Celsius. We add temperature rise to the starting temperature is negative 7 plus 10. We can also use a number line like before to solve this problem. Okay, of course start with negative 7 and add 10. To find your answer, add 3. So, temperature in the morning is 3 degrees Celsius. This also applies to question number 2 and so on. Okay, before we end today's material, please answer the practice question that have been provided and collected at the next meeting. Please scan the barcode. Before I close, the conclusion of our material today is integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. A number lines have visualized integers and their relationships. Integers are used in real life contexts like temperature, banking, and altitudes, and so on. Okay, thank you for your participation today. Don't forget to do your assessment and keep up your enthusiasm. It will be better if we pray first, pray according to each religion and belief. Prayer begins. Enough. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dan bahagia. Goodbye.